you give me this one?
It was around my third oil change I got that spunk thing. And I thought, you know, this season, I'm really going to make a splash. Yes, I'm going to be a star. But I'll never forget these fields where I came from.
Guys, kami sa haunted maze. Spooky. Go.
What?
Oh, you can try it.
Oh, you're supposed to do this.
Go.
Turn on the light.
Huh?
Light.
You don't need a light.
Yes, we do. I can't see.
Do you see?
I go first.
You go first.
I'm gonna be the map.
No, you don't. Can't see right now. So, wait.
Right. Oh my god, so creepy. So creepy. Yeah, it's okay. That's why we're here. It's how here.
No, this way.
What?
No, this.
Here daw, baby. Sundan lang siya. Sundan lang daw.
Okay, we'll follow you.
Follow me.
This way.
Make sure
You
there's
don't
no
need a light, to be honest.
there's no front.
You don't see? It's better.
Yeah, it's
So
better.
I can use my camera.
Yeah. Buslot man ata niya akong butas.
Okay.
Where this area? Where this area?
Nalagay nila. Ito sa manang light yan.
Where this area?
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Where? Here? Let them do
I
it.
do not trust them.
Look, it's easy to find our way out. We're lost. We're just gonna look over there and follow the light.
There's no TV allowed.
And just like a tower, so you can see it. Go here.
No, that's a tower. Maybe later. We need to find our way. Oh, we're on the other side of the M, Maddie. And this is the M. We can't go here. It's okay. We can go. It's not a trail. It's not a trail.
It's okay. That's out.
It's a dead end. It's okay. Look, we're right here.
Look.
Look.
Let's just go.
Oh my god, that one is so creepy.
Ignore the map.
Yeah, ignore the map.
It's a look, guys.
Huh?
Should we go over here?
Guys, no.
Dili na kuha siya ko eh. Shortcut ra na. Kalibang mo. Kalibang mo. Kangit-ngit ba eh?
So,
You know, let's keep going. It's gonna take us long if we could. And you can see the light is over there.
Na
We got the whistle.
that is just like, oh my god. We've been here?
I don't have So, we're here. This one or this guy?
Probably this one. I'll take this one.
A lot of frights. Over here. I can hear someone there.
What if you see Penny, the balloon?
Okay, so we're in this guy's forehead, I think.
Forehead?
Yeah, or this guy's forehead.
This guy.
Where are we?
We're in this guy's neck, I think.
Neck? Grabe kang ngit-ngit. Ay! Grabe kang ngit-ngit, guys. Grabe kang ngit-ngit. As in, ngit-ngit tayo. Oh, as in, grabe kang ngit-ngit. Grabe.
We're in the guy's neck.
Asa mo nang...
Right here.
Exit is over here. We have to make our way over here.
So I have to go. Oh yeah, go ahead. So we have to go here and here, no, and here and then here, and then whatever.
Bata.
Okay, so we just went backwards.
Nasa sa Facebook.
So we go. We just went backwards.
It's okay.
We go.
So spooky. Asa naman ta? Ayaw.
Let's go.
This way, like mathematically, it's correct.
That's the exit, right? I mean the entrance.
We have napatay 3 minutes man before mag-open ilang isa ka maze. Ang isa ka maze mag-open 7 p.m. It's a haunted maze. It's a haunted maze.
Is it this, right? Wow.
Wow!
We made it.
What? We made it! We're out! We're out! Finally! Good job!
What the heck?
So, nag-ulan na siya kusog. Look. Wala pa nag-open. Magkulat may mag-open. Gawa.
That one.
Oh. I did see. Yeah, I made it.
Wow! What the baby?
So if you pull the right, it goes to the right.
Okay. What is going on?
If you pull right, it goes to the right. If you pull left, it goes to the left. You got it, mommy. You got it. Good job.
That was easy. I catch it.
Mommy's doing great.
Oh wait, can I just,
Got it, Casey. Pull it to your left now.
can I just go on that side? Oh wait, never mind.
Good job, Mommy. You're almost there. Mommy made it. And we got a winner all the way from Bohol, Philippines. Boom! Good job. Casey's more than halfway.
Yeah. You're excited?
What?
You're excited?
Yeah.
That's one, right? That's one, right? And there's a zombie? No, no.
How's your evening, buddy? Hey, are we allowed to record?
No.
Come on, you want one?